Looking to keep more cash in your pocket and live smarter? Living frugally is the secret. It's not just about pinching pennies, it's about making savvy choices every day. So how can you trim your everyday expenses without sacrificing the good stuff? In today's video, we're talking about saving money and living better by being smart with our spending. It's called frugal living. But wait, it's not about missing out. It's actually about feeling clever and making our money go further. Living frugally means finding cool ways to spend less without giving up the good stuff. So how do we do it? Well, we're going to share some awesome tips to help you live a great life while spending way less money. Get ready for smart spending secrets that make life better without breaking the bank. Budgeting and tracking expenses. First things first, let's talk about budgeting. Understanding where your money goes is crucial. Start by tracking your expenses using apps or spreadsheets. This gives you a clear picture of where you can make cuts and where you're overspending. Set realistic budgets for each category, from groceries to entertainment, and stick to them. Smart grocery shopping. Buying groceries can be a big deal for our wallets every day. But guess what? There are smart ways to make it easier on our pockets. It's like planning a fun adventure to the store. First things first, plan what meals you want ahead of time and make a list. This keeps us from buying things we don't need. Try the cool generic brands. They're often just as good but cheaper. Oh, and buying lots of non-perishable stuff in big packs can save us a bunch. Plus, if we check out discount shops or farmers markets, we might find fresh food for less. Using coupons and cashback apps is like finding hidden treasure. It saves us loads over time. Energy efficiency and utility bills. Cutting down on utility bills can be a real game changer for our wallets and our planet. It's like finding a secret treasure chest of savings right at home. You know what's super easy? Turning off lights when we're not using them and using those cool energy-efficient gadgets. Oh, and sealing up those sneaky drafts around windows and doors. It's like giving our home a cozy hug and keeping the money from slipping out. Tweaking the thermostat just a bit can make a huge difference too. It's like finding that sweet spot where we're comfy without overpaying. Those smart home gizmos are like little helpers making sure we're not wasting any extra energy. They're kind of like magic coins that save us money in the long run. Transportation hacks. Getting around can cost a lot of money. Try using buses, sharing rides with friends, or riding a bike whenever you can. When you take a bus or ride a bike, it feels a bit like going on a fun little adventure while also saving money. But here's the cool part. If you take good care of your car, drive carefully, and use apps that find the cheapest gas, you can save a bunch of money. It's like discovering a map that shows you how to save cash every time you go somewhere. When you're trying to save money, think about how you travel. Taking buses, carpooling, or biking isn't just about saving money. It's like going on a mini adventure too. It's exciting to hop on a bus or ride a bike because it's fun and saves money. But if you look after your car, drive smartly, and use apps that find cheap gas, you can save even more money. It's like finding a secret guide that helps you save money every time you need to go somewhere. Embracing DIY and repurposing. Doing things yourself and reusing old stuff is like finding a treasure chest of fun. Instead of always buying new things, try fixing or making stuff on your own. It's not just about saving money. It's about feeling happy when you give old things a new beginning. Whether it's sewing up torn clothes, revamping old furniture, or creating something totally new, DIY projects put your own special touch into everyday things. They help you save money and reduce waste. And when you bring something old back to life, the feeling of accomplishment is simply amazing. Engaging in DIY activities and repurposing old items feels like discovering a secret stash of joy. Instead of constantly buying new stuff, try your hand at repairing or creating things yourself. It's not only about saving money, it's about finding happiness and giving old things a fresh start. Whether you're fixing ripped clothes, giving a makeover to old furniture, or inventing something entirely different, DIY projects let you add your personal flair. They help save money while being kinder to the environment. And when you revive something forgotten, the sense of pride is truly wonderful. Entertainment on a budget. Entertainment can be enjoyable without putting a dent in your wallet. You can discover fun activities by joining free community events, where you might find concerts, festivals, or local gatherings that don't cost a penny. Get lost in captivating stories by visiting libraries that offer a treasure trove of books and movies for free. Another trick is to try out free trials offered by streaming services to binge watch your favorite shows without spending money. If you're looking to save more, think about switching from pricey cable TV to more budget-friendly streaming options, or even giving up cable altogether. This way, you can still have a blast while keeping your entertainment expenses in check, making your budget go further. Cultivating a frugal mindset for long-term success. Mastering how to save money isn't just about learning ways to spend less. It's about changing how you think about money. Focus on enjoying experiences more than buying things, be happy with what you already own, and regularly check how you spend to make sure it matches your money goals. Appreciating moments, relationships, and personal growth over buying stuff helps you prioritize what really matters. Being content with what you have doesn't mean settling. It means finding joy and satisfaction beyond material things. Always checking how you use money ensures it's in line with your dreams, leading to a happier and more secure financial life. Minimizing subscription services and membership costs. In today's digital age, subscription services can quickly accumulate, leading to a significant drain on your finances. It's crucial to take control of your subscriptions by checking them regularly. Cancel those you hardly use or don't find valuable. To save more money, opt for family or group plans, or look for bundled subscriptions that offer multiple services at a reduced price. Besides, before committing to any paid service, explore free alternatives or trial periods to see if they suit your needs. By being mindful of your subscriptions, you can efficiently manage your budget and make sure you're spending money on things that genuinely enhance your life. Regularly evaluating your spending helps align your expenses with your financial goals and ensures your hard-earned money is used wisely. Health and wellness on a budget. Maintaining good health doesn't have to strain your finances. It's essential to prioritize your well-being without overspending. Seek out cost-effective ways to stay active, like going for walks or runs outdoors, practicing yoga at home using online tutorials, or joining affordable fitness classes in your community. Preventive care plays a significant role in saving money on medical expenses in the long run, so make sure to schedule regular checkups and screenings. When it comes to prescriptions, explore generic medication options, which are often less expensive but equally effective as brand-name drugs. Additionally, preparing meals at home not only helps you save money, but also allows you to make healthier choices. By adopting these budget-friendly health practices, you can invest in your well-being without straining your wallet, ultimately contributing to a better quality of life. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to saving on everyday expenses and embracing a frugal lifestyle. Remember, it's the small changes that add up to significant savings over time. By being mindful of your spending, prioritizing needs over wants, and making informed financial decisions, you can live abundantly while saving substantially. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let us know in the comments which strategies you're excited to try out. Until next time, here's to living frugally and prospering financially.